In this video, I'll be showing you how you can share your Google Calendar with anyone. So first, here over at the left sidebar, just want to choose whichever calendar you want to share. For example, I want to share my meetings, so I'm just going to click on the three dots options, then click on the settings and sharing, then scroll down a little bit, and then over here, you just want to click on the add people and groups. Then just click on that and then just search for the name or the email of the person you want to share your Google Calendar with. You can also share it with organizations or groups. Just write their name here, search for them, then just click on send. And then the other way that you can share your Google Calendar is by going here at the access permissions for events. Just click on the make available to public. Click on OK, then click on get shareable link, then go ahead and copy that link. But don't worry, your calendar will only be accessible to whoever you send this shareable link with. So that's it. Thanks for watching.